Okay, in this video we're going to do a tangent arc between a line and another arc, and we're going to do two different methods. One is going to be here on the outside of the arc. This one will be on the inside of the arc. The process is pretty similar, but they're just a little bit different. So I'm going to work through both of those, and just like the other tangent arc videos, what you're doing is you're creating parallel offsets. In this case, we're going to go parallel to a line, and with the arc, we're going to go concentric to the arc, which still makes it parallel, but just a different way of saying it. In this one, I'm going to do a 1 inch radius tangent arc. So let me set my compass, and so I want to go parallel to my line, missed it a little bit there. Okay, so I'll go parallel to my line, 1 inch up. Now with my arc, I'm going to draw a construction line out here just so I can measure off of that. And what I want to do is increase the size of this arc by the 1 inch. So the original radius doesn't really matter right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to increase it by the 1 inch. Put a little mark out there. I missed it just a bit again. I'm getting sloppy. And now I want to create that concentric arc. And so I go back to my original center point and draw that down until it intersects with my line. And that becomes the intersection for my tangent arc, or the center point. So I'll set my compass, it's back set to the 1 inch. And I draw the arc that connects the two of those together. Got a little off there. And this is what you end up with. Your line comes in, it goes to a transition with your tangent arc that becomes tangent with your original arc that you had. Okay? The other method, we're going to do it on the inside. This one we're going to do a 1/2 inch. So let me put a mark down here so I can set my compass to that. And I do my parallel line. Okay, now I want to go ahead and draw my radius line off of my original arc. I just draw that in. Now I want to decrease the size of it, so I come my 1/2 inch to the inside, put a mark. See if I can do it with my big compass here. Draw my construction line down to where it intersects with my parallel line, and then that becomes the center point to draw the tangent arc on the inside. clean those up just a little bit. So the process, you do a line parallel, whatever your radius of your tangent arc is. And in this case, we increase the size of the original arc by 1 inch. In this case, we decrease it by the size of the tangent arc. And where those intersect, that creates the center point for my arcs. In AutoCAD, you can do the offsets to create those points, and then you can draw your circles pretty quickly, pretty easily with those.